Let's check this calcium carbonate sample. It's a high-grade deposit. See the layering? I'll record that. What's the hardness? About 3 on the Mohs scale. Looks good. Send it to the conveyor. Logging it now. All clear?
Conveyor active. Robotic sorting initiated.
Clear the path! Moving in! Watch your steps! Cure it now! Last one! Load it up!
Truck 23 is on schedule. AI just optimized the route. ETA is now 30 minutes sooner. Perfect. Log the change.
The shipment's approaching the factory gate now. Sensors activated, opening the gate.
Initiating automated raw material unload. Conveyor is active, robotic arm engaging. Stacking precision confirmed, throughput optimal.
Quality control on the line, checking seals and labels. Seal is secure, label is clear, this one passes. Continuing the inspection. All right, first crate of toothpaste on the robot. Looks good. Robot's heading in. Good. Let's get the next one ready.
Let's get your toothbrush ready.
Yay, minty!
Okay, now we brush. In circles.
Like this?
Perfect. We're a great team.